Hi everyone. It's been a while since I have done a DIY Friday, but I was sitting down at my table and I decided to make me a ring. So I'm going to show you, ladies and gentlemen, how to make these fabulous little, just cute little rings right here. Something simple, something quick that you can make in a hurry if you're going out, and it's like a fashion statement ring. Okay, so here are the items that you're going to need for this DIY, and y'all look out for my haul because I have a haul that is coming right after this video, so be looking out for it. Okay, this is some aluminum wire that I got from I was in Joann's Fabric. Y'all, they kept sending me all those coupons, so I had to go and be nosy. So I got this wire, and I've never seen this color before, but I really love this color. It's not gold. It's really beautiful. So I'm going to use this. You're going to need a ruler, and this is a 14 millimeter bead. Now you can use any size bead that you want. The only thing that I say about that is the bigger your bead, the more wire you're going to use, okay? The smaller the bead, the lesser wire, okay? I'm going to put it like that. And you're going to need your wire cutters, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut 6.5 inches off of our wire. So we're going to go and measure it, and we want 6.5 inches. So this is what we're going to cut right here. Cut that off. Okay, and also, y'all, I'm sorry, you're going to need your round nose pliers as well, your wire cutters, of course, and these nylon pliers. Okay, they have like the this is what you're going to need. Okay, so once we do that, we're done with everything else. We're going to go ahead and start. We're going to make a loop just like this. Okay, you make your loop, and then you're going to take your nylon pliers, and we're going to start, because the nylon pliers is what's going to keep your wires, the jewelry, from scratching the wire, the coating on the wire. Okay, and we're just going to go around just maybe once or twice, just like that. And then we're going to take our 14 millimeter bead, and we're going to put it on our wire. Now, the one thing I like about this wire, y'all, the coating on this wire, I really like this. It's nice and thick. It's a thick coating. Okay, so what we're going to do next, once we get it to the top, we're going to pinch it over to the side, just like this. And this is pretty much what you're going to have. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take and bend it just like that, maybe about 1 inch. Let me show you. And you're just going to start coming around just like this, holding it in place. Okay, just like that. And then we're going to make a loop like we're putting our ring on. Okay, we're going to make our loop. Well, you know what I mean. And just keep bending it and putting it into place. And this is pretty much what you're going to have right here, okay? Then we're going to take our round nose pliers, and we're going to put a loop right here, just like that. Okay, we're going to push it up, and then we're going to put it on our finger just to see if it fits. Okay, and you can wear these on any finger. And see how that looks, and that's your ring right there. Isn't it gorgeous? And now, if you want it to fit, because it can fit, the thing that I like about these rings, when you use aluminum wire to make them, you want to turn this to the side too, because you don't want it to be you want to turn it to the side, okay, so it can rest up against your finger. Okay, put it on and you squeeze it. And that is gorgeous. Like when I say gorgeous, y'all, look at that. That is... Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so here is our ring. This is the finished product. And like I said, you can use any type of wire, aluminum wire, any size bead. Just remember that the bigger the bead, the more wire you're going to need. The smaller the wire, the smaller the bead, the lesser the wire you're going to need. So this is really, really cute. So I want to thank you all for joining me for DIY Fridays. Y'all, this is not going to be something that I do on a regular. This is pretty much a bonus. This is what I feel like. It's a bonus. I just felt like I wanted to do this. But be on the lookout. In a few minutes after I do this video, I will be uploading a video with my haul. I went to Joann's Fabrics and Michael's, and I also went to Dollar General, and I'm going to show y'all something that I got from Dollar General that I'm going to do a DIY project on. So if y'all stay tuned for that, I want to thank each and every one of you all for joining me for today's DIY. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome Friday, and I will see you, ladies and gentlemen, back here tonight on Jewelry Talk Live. Yes, yes. All right, y'all. Love you guys. I will talk to you then. Peace and blessings. See ya.